guess what? I woke up in El Salvador and I'm here with Cass from previous vlog. So yeah, I'm here with her and we decided to stay here for one night in San Salvador instead of like driving all the way to La Libertad at night. So we're gonna head out and go to the Imagine side. It's what people call the rainbow side, but it's called Imagine. So we're gonna head there today and then we're gonna pick up the car and then drive down to our hotel in La Libertad today, and then we're gonna go from there. Oh, by the way, to enter El Salvador, everybody have to pay like a $12 fee for a visa. Everyone, as long as you're a tourist, you're coming for tourist purposes and you're staying less than 90 days, the fee is $12. And you just get this little visa card. I'm gonna show you guys another time. You get this little card and that's it, very much. And then you get your stamp.
Yoga.
Your hat is there. She got it for you. The lady got your hat for you. Oh, you didn't realize it came off? So me and Cass is here and we just went down the slide. We're about to get something to drink and then we're gonna head out of here because we have to go pick up the car and head to La Libertad.
No, I'm loving it here. I mean, even just this place alone has like a lot of different activities. Like, there's the slide, there's also the carousel.
The walking thing.
Yeah, there's like a walking garden path, like a trail, yeah.
Thank you. Frozen maracuya, and this is passion fruit, frozen passion fruit. And what did you get?
I had the tigre, which has orange juice, apple juice, and like some sort of mint type leaf in it.
I'm not sure if I told you guys, but we did switch hotels. We're now at La Libertad and we're at the Garten Hotel. We're staying here for a couple nights and then we're gonna move over to Santa Ana. But so far right now, we just finished taking some pictures and we're just gonna go to this brunch spot in El Tunco.
I had like 2 for $6 mimosas, which I thought was pretty good too. Yeah.
And I had the jungle burger. That was really good. I also had a tequila sunrise, which was also good. It wasn't too strong. It was okay. So we enjoyed it. Thumbs up to this place. It's called Jungle. And it's in Surf City. The Surf City strip, like area, the strip, whatever. Yeah, El Surco Beach area. So Cass and I are now heading to the Santa Ana volcano, and we are en route. Cass is driving. I am directing, right? Directing?
Yeah, I'm directing.
So Cass and I stopped at the pharmacy because I'm having an allergic reaction to pineapples. So I'm gonna get a Benadryl right now and see if it helps. So yeah, guys, I just took the pills actually to help me with my allergic reaction. So yeah, I'm allergic to pineapple now. I just gained this allergy, and I totally forgot, because like I said, I just gained the allergy. Totally forgot, ate pineapples, and it's messing up my whole mouth. Even right here, it's visible, but the rest of it is inside of my mouth. But yeah, it's messing with me, and my tongue started to itch. All that good, well, all that bad stuff is not good stuff. All that bad stuff. So yeah, I took the pill, and we're continuing our journey to the volcano. Guys, we just got to the volcano, and we couldn't climb up it because
Different hikes you could do. You could do a hike where you end up just getting a view of the volcano, and that's all day. You could do that hike any time of the day. But there is a hike where you climb the volcano and you get to the top and you look at the crater that's filled up with water. That hike is only done at 9 in the morning.
Yeah.
That's the only time you could do it. And it's like 2 hours up, 2 hours down. It's like a 4-hour hike.
Yes.
So yeah. So we got here at like 2 p.m.
Yeah,
and
2 o'clock.
ended up finding out that we couldn't do the hike that we wanted to do.
Well, but the day didn't go too bad, because we stopped at this place that we wanted to go to. We wanted to stay there, and we found it like by like wrong turn or whatever, and we found it, and the guy gave us a tour, and we were able to take
some
a nice
pictures.
Yeah, some really good pictures of the volcano too. So, you know, it's not so bad, but yeah, it's still a bummer. We have to like put the volcano off. So yeah, again.
Do you want to see this real quick since we're here?
Does the stand out part? Yeah, we could do. We're here at Nawi Beach House. It is beautiful. It reminds me of Tulum so much, and I love Tulum. Y'all know how much I love Tulum. But yeah, we're here and we're about to get some food, some drinks, and we're about to hit the pool, the beach, whatever we want. They have lounge chairs, all that stuff. They have beach beds, so you know, I'm definitely gonna get a beach bed. So yeah. Called Nawi, right? And for $20 you get a day pass, and the day pass includes a welcome drink, horseback riding, and use of the pool, and beach beds, etc., etc. Right? I've never heard of that for $20. Right? I've never heard of that for $20. By the way, the food was amazing. The food was amazing. The drinks are good. The vibe is good. So, yeah, the vibe is definitely good. We're about to take shots with those people over there. Prosecco for me. Sure. Tequila. But yeah, you do say, what's your, oh God.
Tequila's top tier.
But what tequila you like? What's the best one you like?
The thing is that I usually have 1800 at my house, but there's definitely better tequilas. Definitely, but it's just easy access. 1800 is easy access.
Right. Go to the store, pick up a bottle.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, we're about to take shots. Hey guys, this video is sponsored by Kerry Products. Here I have their Yoni bar soap in lavender. It's all natural. This bar soap helps with your pH balance. It's a sensitive cleaner. You can use it to take a shower for your whole body, and it keeps you very fresh and ready to go. It's very moisturizing and nourishing to the skin. The link will be listed in the description box. Use code DECIA to get 5% off. Last night outside, well, still at the hotel, we're having breakfast now. We both ordered French toast, eggs, bacon, an avocado toast. She has her French toast over there. Good morning. Good morning. And this is our view. So yeah, today we're going to chill here for a little bit. Then we are checking out of this hotel, and then we're going to check into another hotel. We have left the hotel, we have left Garten, and we had an amazing time. Now we're on our way to Cafe Albania to go ziplining and whatever they have there as an activity. It's like an extreme sport place, so we're gonna go there to enjoy it, and we're on our way there. Then we're gonna go to Santa Teresa's hot springs, and then from the hot springs we're probably gonna go to this little town and from that, and then we're gonna go check into our hotel that we are staying in for the night. This look like we in the market. Yes, we are in the market. Yo, we in the local side. Yup, we in the market. Good. This day market. Guys, this looks like day market, like they currently. Oh, y'all don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, man. I am market this man. Yup. Look, girl.
She don't know about me.
Right. Like, don't run out in the road like that. You might get hurt. So, Cass said that...
I was just kidding.
No, you're dead ass. Cass said that she wants to race across this shit. So, whoever gets over there first. So I said, alright. But I also want to vlog.
Exactly. So
you got a head start. You gonna get a better start. She wants to race over there. So, let's see. Let's see if I could beat her with one hand.
With one hand.
One hand. Like,
you lose your balance though.
How you lose your balance? You never ride a bicycle with one hand?
Not in the air, girl.
It's the same thing.
No, it's not. You in the air.
He'll come get me. You see, he could zip line over. Oh shit! His shit wobbling. Oh hell no!
I told you.
We ain't racing. His shit wobbling.
She good though.
Yeah, but his shit wobbling though. Oh shit! His shit is wobbling. But y'all, look at this beautiful view. The zip lines are up there and stuff, but we can't go because it started to rain, and I guess it works with electricity, so they have to cut the power. You know, we're not trying to get electrocuted out here. Oh shit. You make that diaper. But yo, why is my front camera not working no more? Am I seeing myself? The front camera not working.
There you go. There's your face.
Oh. Trying to battle y'all. She's trying to battle. Yo, this shit wobbling, but I ain't scared. She's trying to battle y'all. And I'm doing this shit, I'm doing it with one hand, y'all. She's trying to battle back there, she's trying to battle. Wait, she coming back because I stopped to take a picture. Nah, I ain't losing. I'm the most competitive person out here. Guys, we're now at the hot springs.
Oh, it tells you the temperature.
This is the name of the hot springs. Okay, let's go. Well, there's one over there, but we're trying to see the others. Oh, they have a restaurant. This is where I need the picture. Is there more? Wow, this is beautiful. Guys, we're in the thermal spring. Oh my god, it's nice and warm. It gets deep. I'm on my tippy toes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It feels good though.
Yeah. Guys, this is so good. Nice and warm. Guys, so now we're at the lake part of our trip. To be honest, this is the hotel that we're staying at. The grounds is gorgeous. Don't get me wrong, the grounds is super gorgeous. But initially, this hotel is not giving what it's supposed to give. The rooms, but the grounds are gorgeous. As you can see what I'm saying, the views from the hotel grounds is amazing. But, just but, the grounds, good. The rooms are super trash. I do not recommend this hotel. That's the name of it. Wait, let me move over. That's the name of it. I do not recommend it. We just coming from Cardi Do, and
It was not it.
that hotel is not it. The views are amazing, as y'all can see, but that hotel is not it. It's a very much catfish.
Yeah, like if it's possible for you to just do a day pass, stay somewhere else and do a day pass.
Just for pictures and stuff.
Do that because like,
the grounds is beautiful.
Yeah, the grounds is beautiful. The lake area is beautiful. They have this giant chair that's in the sea. That's cool. So if you could possibly get a day pass to go, do it. But if you actually have to stay on the property,
no, I do not recommend it. Neither does she. But that's not even it. I don't even know if I want to tell you I have to get a day pass because
it's up
there's
to you.
mad bugs and stuff.
It's like, it's up to you guys. At the end of the day, it's up to you. We could tell you our opinion, but you're the one that's gonna decide. So
nah, if I say don't do that shit, don't do that shit. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't know what she's talking about, but if I tell you don't do that shit, don't do that shit, okay? She's trying to give y'all to make the decision on y'all own. I'm telling y'all not to do that shit. So who y'all gonna listen to? The person telling y'all not to do that shit, right? I mean,
no, you gonna listen to yourself.
Do not.
No, she's saying that your judgment
Right?
is not good.
Nah, I'm telling you, I already made the judgment.
She said don't listen to your heart, listen to her. That's what she's saying.
Don't go there. Okay, what she said, the day pass if you want to, that's it. But staying there, no. I called all night. I almost woke her up many times. Okay, it was just not, and we got in so late, so that was even the worst part because we couldn't even switch hotels because it was so late. We're doing other things. Here it is. Oh, I thought that almost said the same thing. I was about to say wait, yeah, but yeah. So that hotel was clearly catfish. I don't recommend Cardi Do, but Garten, oh my gosh, you recommend Garten, right?
100%.
Like I recommend
100%,
that penthouse, baby.
100% penthouse. The suites are also nice too, but the penthouse
is it. That bathroom, y'all gonna see. Y'all seen it already. Y'all seen it already. So
like it's so good. I want to go back.
Right. I felt like I wanted to go to another night and be like, just give me the penthouse again. Like just give me the penthouse. The grounds is beautiful also because the beach was really pretty, and the sand is so gushy and black and nice, and the sand sparkled.
Yeah. So we're gonna. So this is
which one?
So this is where the boat
is, and then
And then this is where the La Pampa place. So
okay,
we would be passing La Pampa to
before. Okay,
so we could stop by La Pampa just to see what's going on, and then pop back and go to the boat.
Okay,
let's do that.
But yeah, so we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do. Then we have to go back to San Salvador, get our test to be able to go home, then see if we could get this car for another day, because we have to do something the day before we go home. Our flight is legit at 11:39 p.m. so we have all day to do something, especially all morning.
Why does it keep doing that?
But yeah, so we're gonna get going. Like I said, don't go there, don't stay there for the night. If you want to go for a day pass, that's it. But let me tell you from the bring bug spray, like they have a lot of bugs, like bring bug spray. But yeah, that's it. Guys, so now we're at the boat restaurant. It's called, what is that?
Las Palmeras.
What she said. Oh, my camera's not straight. Yeah, it's called Las Palmeras. So yeah, we're going here and we're gonna have some food. We're leaving now. We're leaving the restaurant, the boat restaurant, and we didn't go to, we didn't choose to go on a boat anymore because we didn't really want to get wet or anything like that, so we just stayed. And funny enough, when you're on the boat, you have to wait till it comes back. We are on a time schedule, so we don't want to do that. But anyway, how was your food?
I enjoyed mine. I got like the plata típica, which has kind of like a skirt steak kind of thing with sweet plantains. That's how you guys say it in English. Sweet plantains, refried beans, salsa, this cream, not sour cream, but some sort of creamy sauce. And
was it spicy?
The sauce? No,
yeah.
No, It wasn't spicy. Yeah, so I think that's what my plate came with, and it was pretty good. I enjoyed it. Yeah, I enjoyed it.
I got fish filled with shrimp, like it's like a creamy sauce type of thing. I don't feel like it was Alfredo mixed with something else. I feel like it was like an Alfredo sauce. The shrimp.
Okay.
So yeah, so that it was filled with that, with rice and corn, like vegetables and stuff. So yeah, my food was good too. So I really, based on what we ate, the food here tastes good. We actually saw other people's plate going past, and it actually looked good. So
yeah, the food looked good.
Yeah, so, and they were pretty. The waiter was pretty nice, so I like that. Like,
decent portion size.
Yeah.
Like they are not, you know.
Well, my
skimpy.
fish was. Yeah, my fish was really tackling me. Like, yeah. So anyway, the food here is good. We're about to head on the road to go to San Salvador to see if we could get the car for an extra day, because we have another thing to do that we didn't get done. But anyway, and then we're gonna check into Barcelona for tonight, and we're gonna stay there until our flight. So the trip is almost done.
Yeah.
I feel like it went fast.
It did.
Yeah, the trip is almost done.
Extended it into like Sunday or something. I don't know.
I would extend it, but I would stay at Garten.
Yes.
I would stay in that area.
As you can tell, we're obsessed with Garten.
Obsessed.
So good.
Penthouse, no, penthouse. We made it to the volcano on time. We were so worried that we was not gonna make it on time, but we make it. We're about to climb up to go up.
We made it on time because
we was hitting that shit.
I was booking that shit, you know.
But yeah, we made it on time, so we're about to go up the hills, the volcano, and I'm about to switch out of this camera to the GoPro, so y'all know how it goes. Dying were legit at the back of the pack.
If you're not a seasoned hiker, this is actually pretty difficult.
This is extremely difficult. We're dying. Send help. Send help. Look how much. Oh my god.
I would suggest that before doing this, you work out at least, like, start training, like start working out like 2 months before, build up your cardio stamina, because this is intense. They do this every day. They built up a stamina for it, so you need to start training for this. This is like the highest point in El Salvador, I think. Not even at the top yet. I already burned 555 calories. Think about it.
We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. How was it?
It's beautiful.
Okay.
They told us that you guys didn't make it, so I was leaving. But you made it. You made it.
I'm here. I'm here, guys. I made it. I made it. Now it's time to look this crater in its eye. Right here. Guys, we made it. We got popsicles. I feel accomplished. I've worked very hard for you. Very hard. I am back in New York. I am tired. I did not speak to you after I got back from the Volcano because I had to go straight to the hotel, get ready in like probably like 15 minutes to go to the airport. But anyway, I'm back. I'm signing off this vlog. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and tell me how much you love the vlog. So yeah, bye. See y'all soon.